And we're back.
And we're back, ladies. Welcome to video 5.
4.
We already did 4, man. This is like 6.
Hang on a sec. No, man. Yeah. This is
Yeah.
5.
Video 4. What is this, man? It says a 4 right there.
1, 2, 3.
Welcome back to video 5 of our Python tutorial, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright.
Good news.
The boss is loving
The
it.
boss is loving it. We're not going to get tortured. Oh, we'll close that down. What was going on last video? Oh, that was
This
great.
video is string.
It's if, man.
It's just string.
String manipulation.
Apologies there for Professor Wise.
Get rid of that, we don't need that.
Slowness. If that's even a word. Is it?
How is slowness not a word, man? That's absolutely a word.
Speed.
Speed is the opposite of slowness. I apologize for his speed.
Speed is like the thing. Fast.
Yeah, you just say speed is the opposite of fast. Speed is like...
Fast is the opposite of slow.
Yeah.
Where were we?
I think if you said someone is speedy, you wouldn't be just like implying that they have a pace. You'd be like saying that they're quick.
So we've already covered this declaration.
Hey, you know what,
You
man?
got the microphone. Some good audio in these videos.
Yeah, man, let's do this, right?
String.
Let's showcase the Doppler effect. Bit of science in there as well. That was physics right there.
No, we're doing it in
Computer
class.
science, physics, science, all of it.
Miss
Except
White
for
would be
biology,
proud.
science, and chemistry
We
science.
should probably send this to Miss White actually.
Yeah, we should.
You know what else is interesting, Miss White? Hang on, think of something first. Yes. Galaxies that are moving further away move towards the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum.
They're just red, man.
Yeah, whatever. Science.
We could explain why, but we're here for computer science, not
science.
physics science, so we'll leave that to
So,
another day.
as we said in video 2. Sorry, 2. That's how you do it, everyone. Okay, so now...
What was video 1, man? Was that literally just print?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. It was like
10 minutes.
No, man, that was like 4 minutes. That was concise.
Alright, now. First we got to put in, a word in there, so let's go with...
We covered how to
fantastic,
open it as well.
because that's what we are.
Mate, you know what we should do, man?
String manipulation.
Dude, let's get a new angle in here. It's like, you know, go crazy.
No, I've got an idea. The boss has arrived. Look busy.
Computer science.
Hang on, sorry.
Yeah, we're currently recording.
Yeah, this is the theme of the video, so
Yeah, that's right.
Ooh, that's a nice little angle. Alright, now string manipulate. Hang on a sec, mate. String manipulation. Now, that's when you want the little fine bits of the word for some strange reason. You go on ahead and go, oh, we need a new variable, don't we? Because that's going to be our new little result, isn't it? String 2 equals stir, like in a cooking pot. Now, this is the fun part. Right, so you get string 2, right? And you do a little cheeky equals. And then you put in string 1. But it isn't string 1. Of course it isn't. Fantastic isn't. I think fantastic is something. So what you do is you get a little square bracket. Very interesting syntax you're using, Professor Exwell. You'll see just why. Then, the number that goes in between is the character part of the word. So F, for example, is 0. Now, I don't know why they didn't
This is a
start
tricky
one.
bit. This is a sneaky bit of computer science here. For some reason, that was a voice break, man.
Apologies. Let's hope Mr. Andrew Edwards isn't watching this. And if you ever met him, you know that he hates
Mr. Andrew Edwards, man. It's just Mr. Edwards. Yeah, so for some
Let's be
reason,
formal.
computer science were like, yo, man, much like with the asterisks being times, they were like, you know, hipster, cool, let's make 1 0, because we're the new thing. And so that's pretty confusing, but really you can get your head around it. You just got to know that instead
Just
of
go with it.
you know,
Like the boss.
they teach you in
Isn't that
primary
right,
school.
Mr. or what?
He
Just left us.
in primary school they teach you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Jump.
jump.
6, 7, 8, 9,
In
10.
computer science,
Jump.
they're going to be teaching you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. They don't teach you that in
Doesn't
primary
have
school
a
because
ring
it doesn't
on it,
have a
but,
ring to it. 0 has too many
If you
syllables.
like it, then you should put a ring on it. So. You don't like 0 as a result of that. That's the moral of the story.
Yeah, but we still got to deal with it because,
5 minutes.
frankly, Python, they made the rules, so we just got to obey them.
Go with
That's
it.
all
Yeah.
we can do.
So now, watch this cheeky little thing, right? Because now if I say print, open brackets, the habits, string 2, cheeky little F5.
It doesn't work.
Oh, you gotta say it first.
Do you want to notice what error he put? He put string instead of string.
You see, I did these little
Yeah, man,
things on purpose.
I'm
right?
pretty sure I'm not featured in this video, right?
Of course you are, man. It's a team effort. Right, let's
I
find the
just-
preview.
No, I'm talking about a webcam. That's engulfing both of us. I don't know why I did a circle. The shape is a square. Rectangle.
That's a parallelogram. That is.
Listen, man, it's as good as I can. Alright, so this is what's being displayed, man. Get your face in here if you want.
That's enough. Yeah, that's good enough. Right. Cheeky little F5, right? That's what happens when you open the
Yeah, red code
I imagine
means
you
you've
guys
done
will do
something
that a lot. We don't do that a lot because we're professors, right? That's
4
just
whole
an
videos.
example.
We've got to have about half an hour worth of quality now. That is because that is the
That's the
0th
first character.
That's the 0th character. Don't confuse them.
That's the first character.
No, that's the 0th character. Remember,
but that's
computer science. That's
0
how it
is the
works.
value. It's the first
Yeah,
character.
but in computer science,
Basically, Python's confusing.
yeah, man.
everyone.
Even for us.
Alright,
So
now,
the 0th character is the first one. The first character is the second one.
spice things up, isn't that right, Mohammed? Like your curry. Right, you want multiple characters?
We'll cut that out.
Fear not. Never mind.
No, I don't even think we have software to cut.
Drop in another little character and it's cheeky at times. Alright, there's a space. Sorry, viewers. God's gone.
Is it? And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for that technical
Just been,
difficulty. We had to
fixing
double
some
check something.
problems.
This is a colon, not a comma.
Don't listen to what I said earlier. Cheeky little F5, shall we?
Yeah. So that's going to print
I'll
off.
press the button, just saying.
Yeah. We didn't have to save it here because we haven't changed the code since we last checked. Alright, so here it is, FA. That is the 0th
Why?
to the second
How did that
character.
happen?
What do you mean, man?
Shouldn't that be 1?
0. No, that prints the 0th, the first.
Why, Python? Why do you do this to us?
0th, first, second. It's only doing the 0th and the first. So if this is, so if we change this to 3, yeah.
Should be 0, 1, 2.
Yeah, it should. This should be fan. Yeah, well, we got it. That's fine.
It's just been retarded.
So no,
You
it's
gotta
not,
go
man.
with
Because look, so basically, what you do, yeah, you hit up 0, and then you just look at the difference in them.
I've got an idea.
So there's 3. 3 minus 0 equals 3. So that's how many letters you're gonna get, if you want to know.
Right, try that.
Alright,
That's
so
my idea down the drain.
basically, right. It's just the difference is how many letters you're gonna get. So if you want to get like 5 till 8, then you just hit up a bit of F5 here. And you go ahead and you get stick.
D.
What you can also do, right, if you don't have anything there, if you just allow it to be 5,
It's the whole word
then
from.
it's 5
Five.
onwards.
And.
Yeah. So examples, real life examples of when you could use this, right? In case you're looking here wondering, but Professors X and Y, why would we ever use this? Well, you know what? I'm gonna put this up here because it was better up here, man. I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm gonna explain it to you because what happens, right?
I got to say.
What happens here? For example, plane tickets. Yeah, they're usually, if you're in Emirates, which in Dubai we are regularly, it would be something like
But a lot of you won't,
EK
because we're going to have a
41.
lot of viewers.
Yeah.
I'm so indignant.
It's going to be like EK 4017 or whatever. I don't know how many numbers there And then if you're with like British Airways, it's going to be BA7643.
And if you're like Qatar Airways, it's like J.
Yeah. So perhaps someone wants to make a program to find out whether people are mainly traveling with Emirates or British Airways, right? So they don't need the flight number; they just need the first 2 letters. So what they'll do is they'll just get the first 2 letters,
Using
and then
string.
Yeah, and then they can use if statements, which we'll talk about next lesson.
String manipulation. Sorry, inside joke, lads.
Manipulated.
I feel I have been manipulated, and I don't like it.
Yeah, so
Long supermarket. I look like a mushroom.
She was dressed like a mushroom. Moving on. Oh man, we're over 10 minutes again. Alright, see you later, boys. Hang on. What's going on, man? Well, yeah, so what they do is they just get the first 2 letters and then they find out.
Remember the word concatenation.
We can't stop the recording, man. Alright, we're back. Don't forget to like, favorite, and of course the most important, subscribe, man. We're 1 minute and 5 seconds over. We're gonna have to see you in the next one. Just please subscribe.